Hello everyone, I am Mark and you are on the Our Studio channel. In this video we will learn to draw the shape of human body. Let's start with the fact that we need a piece of paper and a pencil to draw. Let's start with the head. First draw an oval shape. Guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. The more likes we will release more videos for you. Please support us. Sorry, my English, I'm not good at each bit. I would try to increase my skill by the end of this year. Let's draw edges on our oval. Next, we will gradually draw the edges for the ears, nose, lips. Draw or rectangles for the torso, which is pupil. The main thing in driving is expressions. Draw slowly and careful, and you will see it beautiful. I will continue to paint for you for now. Want more videos, tutorials. Guys, I will draw and you carefully watch everything and learn which is hoping. Okay, it says good. We drew a basic sketch of a human body. Next, let's just start on driving, which changes lines. You can also watch my other videos on the channel, my friend, and drive different drivings for you. What is people beautiful? Such drawings good. The funny thing it is that I teach you to draw, and at the same time I myself am learning to speak English. I want to learn English so that you understand my will. Yes, I hope. Oh, Iwis, that is what is very Iwis.